Cirrus was a little cloud that floated high above the world. She was soft and fluffy. One day she was feeling very sad. She was upset. "I do not want to shine or float, I just want to cry," she whispered to the other clouds. So she did. She cried, and her tears dripped down from her eyes. As she cried, raindrops fell gently all over the meadow below. Flowers drooped and birds fluttered away. "I'm sorry," said Cirrus. "I made everything worse." But then something wonderful happened. A sunflower lifted its head and smiled at the sky. "Thank you for the rain," the sunflower said. The thirsty grass turned green again. Brown branches on trees started swaying in joy. Even the children in the village put on their rain boots and danced in puddles, shouting out, "Yay! It's raining! It's rain day!" Cirrus blinked her wet eyes and said, "My tears helped?" A wise old eagle soared by and said, "Sometimes crying is just what the world needs." Cirrus smiled, still raining, but this time with love. From that day on, she did not hide her tears in fear. She rained when she felt sad and shined when she felt happy. She expressed her true emotions, and everyone below loved her just the same. It is okay to feel sad. Feelings help us to grow and learn, and even our tears can bring kindness to everyone in this world.